Hey guys, go to RPM Diecast, and today we have a pop race. Pretty cool pop race. It is a vintage Diecast Expo Hong Kong exclusive, and it was also only sold in the grand opening of their Beijing store, I think it was. And then there is an XCarToys collaboration on here as well. Everything is in Chinese, except for obviously pop race. Now, I did not see any licensing on here, which is pretty weird because on here it says that, you know, it should be licensed, but I don't see any licensing, so I don't know. Either way, it's a beautiful, beautiful car. I would like to get this unboxed. Again, this chrome box is crazy. There's like a little, it's hard to see. Oh, you can see the camera in the background. It's hard to kind of see, but yeah, it's got an outline drawing of it. Pretty sweet. Let's go get it cracked, and then we'll come back after. That was the Pop Race Haka. Beautiful, beautiful car. You know, it's raw. It's got that carbon fiber hood. The beautiful front splitter. Gorgeous. Yeah, and again, just a small little thing. I don't know. I've been told that the Pop Race has licensing, but again, there's nothing on this box at all. Or the last Pop Race that I opened that said they have licensing. Diecast. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget about our giveaway. It is for the Super T-Hunt and the R34 Skyline. Yeah, all you have to do is comment down below and subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to keep on collecting.